Yep, we are at Jazz Tire again. So today I need to check the fuse, which keep on blowing basically. So this is where the fuse are. I think the one that always got blown is this one. So let's see whether we can find out what's the culprit. Now that's where Asiang's place is. If you can see, I got some white smoke problem, but it could be the carburetor. So anyway, that will be fixed when we finally strip the car apart for the exterior restoration. So the engine will be out as well with the transmission. It will be put at Asiang's place for rectification, and then I will tow the body away to the spray painter, so that white smoke will be taken care of. Yeah, the white smoke is quite bad. So today I want to check the entire brake system as well. So they are checking the car up. Okay guys, a quick update. On the right front, the brake pad is gone. Okay, so we are trying to find the pads and see whether there's any old stock that's left. The rotor is not in a very good condition, and on the left, okay, on the left is worse. Is utterly bad. Basically, I think oh my god, I can feel it. One of the previous owners just drive without brake pads and just damage the rotor. So this is beyond salvage, and that's why we are looking for a pair of rotors and front brake pads. So the right rear, everything looks fine. Basically everything looks fine. The brake pump is working, the brake shoe is alright. Then this little cap here is not missing, basically, which is missing on the right rear. So the cap is missing, so I need to find the cap, which is going to be quite difficult, but I'm going to read the diagram and try to find the part numbers and figure out from there. This side of the brakes, the brake pump doesn't work, so we are looking for this thing. Yep, so basically that's my brake system. Not in the perfect condition. We are trying to rectify things, right? Now I'm standing very far away because I need some time for myself. I need some me time to let this sink in. This is a 42 years old car. It was from the 1978. And today, as I asked Asyang to look through the entire brake system, we found quite a number of problems. But we are able to source a pair of front rotors, a pair of front brake kits, a pair of rear brake pumps, and that rear little caps that went missing. Basically, we are able to solve every problems that this car is having with the brakes. Wow, today is a great day. You know, this kind of cars, right? It's not about whether I can fix it or not. It's whether I can find parts or not. And wow, today is amazing, guys. Okay, if you can feel and hear the wind noise, is obviously coming from the aircon. The blower works again after we replace the fuse once more. We have been letting the car runs for the past 20 minutes. Everything looks fine, everything is still working. We are trying to let the fuse blown again, but it doesn't. So we are not sure, we are not taking the dashboard out, so we can't actually trace the wiring and see what's wrong. But so far so good. The fuse might blown again after I go back later. You never know, man. So it's try and error now, but it looks fine. Oh my god, the aircon is cold as hell. Well, I'm not sure whether hell is cold, but it is cold. So yep, that is the aircon now. Works fine. Oh, okay. I mean, Asyang doesn't. I mean, he can't actually trace what actually went wrong because everything looks okay. Everything looks just like it should. We replaced the fuse once more. This is the third time we replaced a fuse since the last visit, and it's still working. Right. Let's see. Finger crossed. Yep, we have taken out the brake pads. Then we find out that the cover is gone. So if the cover is gone, it will be easy for dirt to go in and jam your brakes. Yep, Rotor is out. I am excited, guys. The real brake pump is here. Goes into here. And that is the missing cap. So there's a bearing cap.
Giải gì? Con giải gì? Ok, 放咗你先啊！giải gì? Ok, 放giải gì?
back to storage. Alright, today is a really productive day. I'm really grateful for that. My plan was to rectify the aircon blower, so we changed the fuse. This is the third time we changed it, and we let the car run for a good 30-40 minutes, and the fuse didn't blow, which is a good thing, but we are still feeling a bit worrisome. So what we did was we changed the blower motor itself. So we suspect that the short circuit, the potential short circuit came from the blower motor. So we changed that. Then it was fine. I mean, 30-40 minutes drive from the workshop back here, no problem at all, and until I turn off the engine, no problem at all. So the truth will be revealed the next time I start the engine again. What else? So very important, today we basically overhaul the entire braking system. So we are able to source a new set of Rotor, new set of brake pads, then the rear brake pumps, then the brake kit, the front brake kit with what you call the cover and everything. So change the fluid as well. So now the braking system is as healthy as new. I'm really grateful for that, really happy with it. The braking is much better now, and the next thing we're going to do probably tires, suspension, then exterior. So once I source enough parts for my exterior to go to enable the car to go to the spray painter, then we will take the engine out from the car itself, the front body, the transmission as well, and we are going to rectify the white smoke problem. It could be the valve, it could be engine oil consumption, it could be carburetor. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Bye.